Hey guys, it's Moto Lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel and thank you so much for clicking and thank you so much for always coming here to support or watch the video. Guys, I know it's been a minute since I uploaded a video, and thank you so much for the new subscribers and thank you so much for those ones who are watching. And I feel like today I wanted to come here to let you know why I have been away, or why I'm going to be away for a while, or why I'm not uploading a video. This video is going to be a painful one. I'm warning you. In this video, you might see me shedding some tears. Um, I don't know even how to start. It's because I love my fans so much, and you guys support me, and you guys watch me, and I feel like anything that happens in my life, we need to share, and I need to share. That's why my channel is authentic. I don't like hiding things from my audience. That's why I have been able to hold this channel, because most of the things that I say here, it's what it is, be either bad and the ugly or whatever. I just want to share. So the thing I'm saying today is heartbroken to me and my family, but I feel like you guys are my family as well. So I need to share. Right now, I want you to pray for me. Excuse me, guys. I want you to pray for me. I'm just asking my fans to pray for me because it's hard. Guys, the thing I'm saying is that I lost my father. My dad is no more. He's the father that I love so much. I adore so much. And I actually look like my dad. For those ones who know my dad, I look exactly like my dad. I'm a copy of my dad. But we lost him. We lost him a couple of weeks. This is the second week actually. And as you know, my dad lives in Africa, Kenya. I come from Kenya and I live here in the US. But part of my family is back in Africa. And you know, here in the US, we work, and it's not easy to get some time from work, to go home. It's been a while since I traveled home, and when I was there, my dad was okay, he was fine, and losing him now, I don't even understand why. I don't know why this has to happen now, but I guess God has the answer. We as human beings, sometimes we don't even know what God thinks and why God decided to take my dad at this point. I know most of you guys have lost a parent. You know how painful it can be. Right now, I am numb, like numb. Don't even know where to start, guys. I live in the US. I have to make arrangements to travel back home. I don't even know how to start. It's confusing. It's mentally draining. So I'm trying to gather the energy to even board the plane to go back and just to rest my dad. Uh, I'm really heartbroken. I thought I thought like, should I come here and share? Is it um important for me to come here and share? Was it worthy something that I can come here and share? But I thought this is one way of me mourning my dad. I have this platform. I have shared my dad here before for those ones who watch my video. I have told you the reason why I love farming. It's because my dad used to be an agricultural officer as a career. And he did so well in the community. He helped so many people in the community. My dad is somebody who actually helps even the little kids. My dad says hello to even the little kids. Sometimes you wonder This is a little kid, but dad just shows respect to even a child. So this video, it's hard for me, but I have to gather the energy. I have cried enough. I will never even cry enough. And the painful thing here in the US, it's like even though you lost a family member, like for example, I lost my dad, it's like you have to still go to work. This is not like home. You say, oh, we lost somebody. Now everybody's going to take a break. You're going to gather in somebody's house and then you mourn. This is not what it is here in the US. You have to go to work until you ask for your time, enough time, if you have actually, so that you can travel. And that's exactly what I am doing. I am still going to my normal job and I am putting in my time so that I can have some time to go and mourn my dad. It's draining. It's confusing. You are at work, you lost a dad, but you still have to work. This is the painful side of here in the US. But that is part of life. People have to die, you know? We all have to die at one point. And it's going to be painful. But it's painful. But the good thing is that my dad raised us well. I have siblings, I'm not by myself. God raised us well. Dad just put his all, give us all, everything that we needed in life. And my dad is not that old, you understand? And it's so hard to lose him at this point. So I just wanted to come here, guys. I'm not here to cry on you or whatever. I just wanted to let you know that the reason why I am not posting a video or you don't see me on social media, because I'm the person who loves social media, and I love my fans and I love to post videos. But this video is personal and I thought I should let my audience know where I am and what's happening. And right now I'm making arrangements of traveling, and I will miss you a lot and you miss my videos a lot, but I wanted you guys to know where I am. I have a long journey to travel back to Africa, and I'll update you. I'll update you on the journey going back. I'll let you know when we're traveling so that I can make a video of how we are traveling from here, how we're going home. And I want you guys to come along with me to Kenya. I want to invite all of you to attend my dad's funeral if it's possible. I want you to know where I come from. And I wanted you guys to know what my dad has been able to do. I want to show you my siblings. I want to show you my village. I want to invite you to come with me, to mourn with me at this time of, heartbroken. That is why I'm coming here to share with you my audience, my YouTube audience. And guys, if you have not watched the videos, this is the video that I want you to watch. I want you to mourn with me. I want you to come with me to Africa. And I want you to go and bury my dad with me. And guys, I don't have much to say. I just thought, let me just come here. Excuse me, guys. I just thought, let me just come here and just say a word of thanks and invite you guys to join me in this moment. Guys, I hope you pray for me and I'll be praying for you, and I welcome you. I'll be putting more videos if I have energy on how we are traveling back to Africa to go mourn my dad. Alright guys, thank you and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.